Now this is how we can make a pie chart in Excel on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So we get inside the Excel, so just look it up like this, open up the app and make sure you get inside of a project which you're currently working on. Make sure that you have some data to work with. So now that I have some data to turn into the pie chart, I'm going to actually select it. So I'm going to click on the first cell and drag the corner to select all of the data which I want to use for this pie chart. Now at the top we can see we have a few options, so you can see the home and draw and stuff, but I want you to click on insert, the second one from the home, and from this go to the charts, which appears right there. And when you click on the charts, it asks you which one you specifically want to use for this. As you know, there are so many different styles and the ways it can look, but just click on a pie chart, obviously, and even this gives you multiple design, but yeah, let me show you the basic one. And you can see that this is how it shows up. I get to resize it, obviously, and it uses the data which I selected in there. So you can see the first name represents 50%, and it kind of like is supposed to make sense. Obviously, I have selected it just as a random example, so the percentages don't really add up, but you get my point. If it wasn't percentages, then it would kind of like make sense. So yeah, I hope it helps. That's how you can create a pie chart in Excel on the iPad. Let me know if it worked for you as well, but I'm gonna wrap up the video. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.